Hello again.
Hi.
So, let's see if we can lower this a little bit. Struggles of being barely 5 feet off the ground. So, I have taken like most people in this room, who are also probably psychology majors, I have taken the racially biased, I think it's called IAT, that identification test. I've taken it twice now, and the major criticism I always seem to hear about it, that I also have wondered about, is obviously, as we all experience, you have to match people of Caucasian descent and people with those names or pictures of those people with positive, virtuous, moral terminology before you have to match people of African American descent with concepts of crime and theft and just more negative things. So my question for you is, what do you think of and how do you respond to the criticism that presentation of matching, as in what items you have to match first before others,
Exactly.
if that would shift? Like if we had to match white people with negative terms first before matching black people with negative terms,
Right.
how would that change?
So,
Thank you.
and this is what I was referring to a little bit in terms of the methodology part that differs in a demonstration like this versus what you would do in an actual laboratory experiment, right? So, in the lab, you would typically counterbalance that so that half of the subjects get one order first, but then half of the subjects get the other order first. And so whatever bias is introduced by that order effect gets sort of canceled out by averaging. But the other thing, more generally, the IAT is the best known measure of implicit bias. And like any measure, it's got strengths and it's got weaknesses.
Weaknesses.
Because it's so